What's the meaning of Anne Boleyn? Anne Boleyn. Anne Boleyn. Anne Boleyn. Anne Boleyn. Anne Boleyn.
Anne Boleyn was the second wife of King Henry VIII of England, and she played a significant role in English history. Her marriage to Henry led to the English Reformation and the establishment of the Church of England. However, her refusal to give birth to a male heir ultimately led to her downfall, and she was executed for treason in 1536. Despite her tragic end, Anne Boleyn's legacy has endured through the centuries, and she remains a fascinating and controversial figure in English history.